replace the face shield, disassemble the inner lining of the HEROS Titan first. For details of disassembling the inner lining, watch this video. Open the main fittings at the helmet band by using an Allen key. When removing the screws, pay attention to the lock washer. Afterwards, you can remove the visor with light pressure. Now reinsert the new face shield. Make sure that the helmet band is fixed to its previously set position, A, B or C again. Also make sure that this location lock fits properly in the slot. Now retighten the two main fittings on the helmet band. After fixing the visor into the helmet again, you can now reinstall the inner lining. The face shield of the HEROS Titan is now properly replaced.